Hello everyone, I'm Archie Rubin. In this video, I will show you what app I made using Figma. And my app name is Wikipedia. This is the logo. So now, before I start, click on continue. Let me first introduce you of what my app is and what it costs. This app is an official mobile application developed by the Wikimedia, and everyone has the right to use these apps. So now, let's click to continue, and first, log in your username. So this is my username. And the second is log in your password. This is my password. Then click the login. So now, enjoy using this app. This app is quick access to information and knowledge. Of course, convenient for students, researchers, and professionals. So now, I try to search. Example, I search about Chinese. So please a few minutes. If you are the user or you are familiar with this app, I'm sure na ma-enhance imong learning experiences by offering free and accessible content. So, kaning app, need lang siyag dako nga storage or imong cellphone or anything you have. Nakanindot lang ani niya, makagamit ka bisag offline. But, the problem is, dili ka maka-save cause offline man. So, if do you like this app, it's a free to download from Google Play Store if your cell phone is Android, and App Store if your cell phone is iOS. So, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.